So I'm here at the Reolink booth at CES 2026. And Fabrice, go ahead and tell me a little bit about this AI box. AI has already got me excited, man.
Yeah, I guess AI is the new trend, right? This is a Reolink AI box, so you can think of it as a little box that has the power of ReoNeura, and that's Reolink AI system. So it's like we have ReoNeura into this box that makes cameras much smarter than they were. What's good about this is it runs locally. Everything, this AI runs locally. You don't have to connect it to the internet, and everything is in that box. And it brings with it tons of AI features that integrate well with our hubs, our cameras, and our MVRs. With all that package, everything runs locally, and you have a ton of AI features like the AI search that we announced before. And then you have an AI that prioritizes alerts now. You have, it's basically an intelligent notification that you get with the AI, as in you can set up what type of situations you want to receive notifications on, you want to receive alerts on, and that would be sent over to you when the AI actually finds it.
Okay, so like if your neighbor has a unique cat, you could put in like whatever the characteristics of that unique cat is, and then it'll tell you when the unique cat's in your backyard terrorizing your dogs.
Exactly. Like if you, all you want is to be able to receive alerts when you see a white cat, you only get alerts for that. And for any other cat, probably you won't get alerts for it. Specific alerts when you have that. And with this now, it supports multiple cameras, so you have summaries that come in from a lot of cameras that you have installed in various locations. As in, the camera tells you exactly what's happening, which each camera summarizes that into a paragraph. And it also helps to prioritize alerts. Like, let's say if you have a fire burning in some place and you have one camera looking at that, and you have a dog just digging a hole in the backyard someplace, the camera focuses on that fire first, because the AI analyzes and knows what's more important for you to get notified on. So it sends you that notification so you know what to prioritize first before anything else.
And how many cameras can one of these boxes handle?
As many cameras as you have installed. So
That's quite a bit.
yeah, so if you have a lot of cameras installed, but you can narrow that down and select a number of cameras that you want to receive summaries or notifications from.
So if you have like a bazillion cameras and you're like, these 12 are the important ones or whatever, you can do that.
Yeah, you just leave them in, and then you get notifications and alerts and reminders and summaries from whatever has happened during a specific period of time with these cameras.
Now, can this send me a text message with a picture kind of thing too?
For now, you get notifications through your Reolink.
Oh, right in the app. Yeah, that's good too. Yeah.
And that's where you know what's happening. So you click on that, and it gives you all the information that you need.
So what is this that I heard about? Prompt-based alerts.
So with the prompt-based alerts, that's also part of the system now. That's where you basically tell the camera what you want it to detect, and it will send you notifications when it finds it. So you can customize any scenarios that you want to receive notifications or alerts on, and the camera will just get you that when you need it. So that's comes in here. You have prompt-based alerts. You have advanced AI search. That means in the past you could only probably search for a blue hat or a blue dog or anything. But for now you can have longer sentences like a dog digging up in the backyard, and it would get you more accurate, data, more accurate information from the footage you have. There are a ton of advanced features and more that are in here now.
Can I teach it like myself and family members so I can be like when so-and-so comes home or leaves kind of thing, or no?
Yeah, so that's part of it too. So again, you basically tell the camera what you want it to detect, and it will let you know. So you have to give it that scenario. It has to be based on something, a descriptive item, like, what they're wearing.
Yellow backpack.
Yes. So okay. When the kid gets back from school with the yellow backpack, it would let you know that it has detected a yellow backpack. Then you know that.
You could say yellow backpack on a kid.
Yeah, you can also say that.
Versus, if it's a full-grown person, and then it would notice. Okay.
Yeah, and the AI will analyze that. ReoNeura will analyze that and get you that information. Yeah, that's how it works.
Excellent. Cool. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.